How to create a server on Discord. Hello guys and welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create a server on Discord. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all guys, you need to open your Discord application. Once you open your Discord application, you need to tap on the icon at the bottom left corner. You need to tap on that one. So guys, I'm using the Android phone, so the interface will be similar like this one. So guys, once you're here on this page, you need to tap on the plus sign. Once you tap on the plus sign here, as you can see, they say that create your server. So guys, this is the page where you can create your server, and yours just below your server they mention that your server is where you and your friend hang out, make yours and start talking. So you need to create my own server. You need to tap on that one, and here tell us more about your server. In order to help you with your setup, is your new server for just a few friends or a larger community? So here you need to choose one of the options for me and my friends, or the next one is for a club or community. So it depends that what kind of server you want. So there are two options, and then you can choose one of them. If you want to just create a server for you and for your friends, you need to tap on that one, or you can tap on for a club or community. If you're a gamer and you're a YouTuber, you want to create a server for that purpose, so I guess for a club or community option will be better for you. So I will choose for me and my friends. I will tap on that one, and you will be directed to a new page where they say that create your server, and here you can upload your picture. I will not do that. You need to just tap on the plus sign, and you need to just tap on the files, and it will direct you to your gallery. From there you can choose a picture and you can upload that one. And here the next thing is that you need to choose your server name. So here my YouTube channel, I choose the same name here as well. You can choose according to your preference, and once you choose that name, you need to tap on create the server. So once you tap on create the server, here as you can see, start a conversation. Let's get you ready to talk. What's topic your group like? So whatever topic you want to choose here, I will just choose test, and then you need to tap on take me to my server. And once you tap on here, they will take you to another page where they say that invite a friend to your server. So here you need to invite your friends. You can either skip it by just tapping on the cross sign at the top left corner, or you can just tap on the settings. The one thing that I want to discuss with you, once you tap on the setting here, is you can see that invite channel, and just below invite channel it's hash general. So if you tap on the down arrow, you will find that test general. So whatever you want to choose here, you can choose, and expire after the invitation will be expire after no limit, or you want to limit it to 7 days, 1 day, 12 hours, 6 hours. So you need to choose anything of your own preference. The next thing is that maximum number of uses, so how many times that can be used. So this is set on infinity right now, or you can just say 1 time, 10 times, or 100 times. That is exactly according to your own preferences. And then you need to tap on create the link. So this link you can share with your friends, the friends that you want to be on your server. So I will just tap on share link, and here as you can see, you can send this link to your friends which are on other social media platform, or you can just copy it here and then you can send it individually to people. So you can choose from these applications which are installed on your device, and you can send it to your friends on those applications as well. So guys, this is where you can just copy your invitation link or send it on the other social media application. So once you're done with that one, I will just tap on the cross sign, and then you are in your channel right now. So this is your channel, and this is how it looks. Here you can start chatting. Here you can just send your pictures from your gallery, and you can send emojis here. You can send even gifs here as you can see. And if you tap on the friends icon, as you can see at the top right corner, and here you will find many options like the notification, pins, search. You can search people, and here as you can see, I have only one person, the one who created this account, it's me. So guys, there is the invitation option as well. You can tap on that one and you will be directed again to this page, and from here you can send the invitation link to your friends and then they can join your server. So here is the other thing, you can tap on the settings, and in the setting you will find channel name. You can find the channel topic, whatever topic you want to talk about, that one, whatever channel you want to name it, like according to your preference, whatever you want to talk to with your friends, you can do it here. The next thing is the user management. There is permission. If you tap on that one, you can add a role, you can add a member here. So this is how you can do that as well. And if you want to delete the channel, you can just tap on the three dotted menu here and you can just reset notification setting or delete the channel. So you will find the option here. You can just tap on delete the channel and the channel will be deleted. So guys, the next important thing is that I will take you back from here, and once I tap on the channel here they will give you two channel option. The first one is that the text channel. So if I tap on the plus sign, and here you can just tap on the channel name and you can actually create your own channel which will only be specific to text. You cannot talk there. That will not be audio based. You can only text there as well. So guys, on the text channel you can just post images, give stickers, opinion, anything like that. And if you want to create a voice channel, you can just change it to the voice, and then you need to tap on tick mark at the top right corner and it will be created. So I will just keep it to the text channel and I will just name it test 1, and I will tap on the arrow, and this is how you can create your sub channel inside your server. So that will be text specific. The next thing that you can do is that you can tap on the voice channel, and once you tap on the voice channel here you can name it. I will name it test 3 just to show you that how you can do it, and then I will tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Here, as you can see, it has been created. This is the start of the test 3 channel. So this is how you can create different sub channels in your server. So that can be voice based or that can be text based as well. So this is how you can create the sub channel. If you want to delete your server, you need to just tap on the server from here. As you can see, once you tap on the server, and then there is the three dotted menu. Once you tap on the three dotted menu, and then you need to tap on the settings, and once you tap on the settings here, it will give you an overview. You can see the moderation as well. If you tap on the moderation here, and you will find many options, you can change it according to your preferences. Then there is channels, there is integration, security. There are many options that you can use, and I will make another video where we will discuss all these options. So if you want to delete the server, you need to just tap on the three dotted menu here, and you need to just tap on delete server, and they will ask you one more time that are you sure you want to delete your server. You need to tap on the delete option and your server will be deleted. So guys, this is how you can create a server, and you can create your sub channel inside the server as well. So guys, this is all it takes to create a server on Discord application. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.